Yeah, quant section is always the main problem area for a lot of students. So those who hate maths but have to clear the cutoff. So these are the topic I can leave. Yeah. Numbers, always high level question. Find the number of solutions possible for this thing. Time, speed, distance, high level question. Time and work, high level question. Geometry, PNC, probability, profit and loss, and polynomial equation. X to the power 7. The moment I write this thing, people will turn off their next ka button seedha. So these are topics which are historically very high level question in the CAT exam. So you can leave the topic. Trust me, I can still clear the cutoff if I do all the easy topics. These are all manageable questions in the CAT exam. इसका एक screenshot ले लो अगर आप ले सकते हो तो. So these are the 10 topics which are the must do topic for the CAT exam. You can't ignore, you can't leave them at all, but you have to do. Fine. These are the topic. If you want, you can leave. But अगर मैं इनमें से बेसिक करके जाता हूं, I can give you CAT 2022 का पेपर, I can 21, 22, 2020, I can give you question on geometry, which have used the basic concept of geometry, basic formula, area of the trapezium, yeah, and combined it with maximum minima. Right? So these kind of questions I can do, at least easy questions I can do. Please don't leave any topic. Yeah, profit and loss plus mixtures is one of the most common topic of the CAT exam. Right? I'm mixing up a few items and then sold at a profit of this much or loss of this much. So अगर आप percentages कर रहे हो तो profit loss come as a part of that. So if I can do easy topic of everything, which I'm sure most of you have done, if you've not yet done, please do them. Because if I'm targeting 12 marks, which is 80 percentile, 18 marks, which is 90 percentile, and 30 marks, which is 98, 99 percentile, then I can, if you want to reach this level, I can easily clear by doing the my favorite topic, the most common topic of the CAT exam. But इसमें से एटलीस्ट मैं अगर आप easy and medium करके जा सकता हूँ, I can survive the paper. Yeah, high level I don't need to do. I can't do anyway. I don't have time also in the last 50 days. So at least I can do a few medium topics. I can survive the cutoff easily. So these are the topic, must do topics. Yeah, and these are topic I can leave for the CAT exam. बिंदास बेफिक्र के छोड़ दो. बट अगेन अगर आप मेरी बात मान ही रहे हो तो प्लीज इसका बेसिक कर लो यार, एटलीस्ट इजी, एंड फ्यू ऑफ देम का मीडियम लेवल. ज्योमेट्री के सारे एरियाज तो करने ही पड़ेंगे, बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व मेंसुरेशन उसमें ज्योमेट्री काम आने वाला है. ठीक है, तो बाकी आप हाई लेवल क्वेश्चन यू कैन अवॉइड. ऑलराइट, ऑल द बेस्ट.